Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you all today. Today's presentation is titled Introduction to ICT Tools for Academic Writing and Research. My name is Divya Nair, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Plant Sciences. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore some key digital tools that can enhance your academic writing and research skills. We'll look at various ICT tools, how they can support your work, and practical tips for using them effectively. Let's get started. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. Let's take a closer look at this slide. Here, we're emphasizing the importance of understanding the core concepts thoroughly. It's not just about knowing the facts, but really grasping how they connect and interact within the bigger picture. By doing this, we ensure we're not just memorizing information, but actually able to apply it effectively. This approach helps us see the relevance of each point, which ties back to our overall theme of building a solid foundation. When we connect these ideas clearly, it makes the entire learning process more engaging and meaningful. Remember, the key takeaway is to focus on understanding the relationships between concepts, which ultimately enhances our ability to think critically and solve problems. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. Now, let's look at some useful online resources for accessing articles and journals. These websites are excellent for finding scholarly literature across various fields. For example, freefolpt.com offers a wide range of free PDFs of research papers, making it easier to access important studies without paywalls. Archive.org is another valuable resource. It's a vast digital library that includes books, journals, and archived web pages, providing historical and current research materials. Elsevier's open access journals are part of the broader movement toward making scientific knowledge freely available. You can explore their open access journals through their website, which promotes free dissemination of research findings. Similarly, Science Direct, operated by Elsevier, offers open access options for many journals and articles, allowing you to find research across numerous disciplines. The NRBC library site provides links to free journals specifically, which can be very helpful if you're looking for accessible academic content. DOAJ, the Directory of Open Access Journals, is an excellent curated list of peer-reviewed open access journals from around the world, ensuring quality and credibility. Cambridge University Press also offers free content through their journals platform. It's worth exploring their free sections for high-quality research papers. eJournals.org is another portal that aggregates open access journals, making it easier to discover relevant articles. Project RedCap, while primarily a research data management tool, also provides resources and tools for literature surveys, supporting your research process. Moving on to eTools for literature surveys, JSDOR and EBSCO are widely used platforms that host extensive collections of academic journals, books, and primary sources, many of which are accessible through institutional subscriptions or open access options. Lastly, Askyorpt.com is a newer tool that helps you extract key information from PDFs, making your literature review process more efficient. All these resources collectively help streamline your research, ensuring you can access credible, diverse, and comprehensive scientific literature to support your work. Now, let's take a look at some of the eTools available for data collection. First up, social media platforms. These can be incredibly useful for gathering real-time insights and engaging with a wide audience. Then, we have Google Forms, which is a straightforward and accessible way to create surveys and collect responses efficiently. Moving on, there's MobileApp, which allows for on-the-go data collection, making it flexible and convenient, especially in field research. ResearchMaps.com is another valuable tool that helps visualize connections and patterns within your data, providing a clearer understanding of complex information. Lastly, we have Funblocks AI, an innovative platform that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline data analysis and generate valuable insights. All these tools are designed to make data collection more efficient, accurate, and engaging, supporting our overall goal of improving research methods and outcomes. Using the right combination of these e-tools can really enhance the quality and depth of our data, ultimately leading to better informed decisions. Now, let's take a look at some of the essential e-tools available for data analyses and interpretation. First up, we have Windows Excel, which remains a fundamental tool for data organization, basic analysis, and visualization. Moving beyond that, there are specialized tools like GraphPad, accessible at graphpad.com, which is great for statistical analysis and graphing, especially in scientific research. OpenRefine, found at OpenRefine.org, is excellent for cleaning and transforming messy data sets. Then we have R, a powerful programming language widely used for advanced statistical computing and graphics. Stata is another robust software package tailored for data management and econometric analysis. For quick sketching and diagramming, tools like AutoDraw at AutoDraw.com and Diagrams.net are very handy. Artificial intelligence-powered tools are also making a big impact. Meshi, AI, for example, helps interpret complex data with AI assistance. Similarly, Google's time travel allows for dynamic data versioning and exploration, while NotebookLM and Google Colab provide collaborative environments for coding and analysis in Python or other languages. On the research front, SciSpace and Paper Digest help streamline literature review and paper summarization. For data visualization and storytelling, tools like Napkin, AI, and Tavily facilitate creating engaging visual narratives. Lastly, PowerDrill, AI, and Diagrams.net support data exploration and diagram drawing, making complex information clearer. Overall, these tools collectively enhance our ability to analyze, interpret, and communicate data effectively, fitting into this broader theme of leveraging technology to improve research and decision-making. Now, let's take a look at some useful e-tools for data management. First up, we have GraphPad, accessible at graphpad.com. It's a great resource for statistical analysis and graphing, making complex data more understandable. Next is OpenRefine, found at OpenRefine.org, which is fantastic for cleaning and transforming messy data sets efficiently. Then there's Borium at Borium.com, offering high-performance computing capabilities to handle large-scale data processing. PromptGenie at PromptGenie.com is useful for automating data-related tasks through intelligent prompts. Sourcely, available at Sourcely.net, helps with sourcing and managing data sources seamlessly. Kava, which you can find at Kava.com, supports data visualization and analysis, making insights more accessible. And of course, Tableau at Tableau.com remains a leader in creating interactive dashboards and visual analytics. All these tools are essential for effective data management, especially in today's data-driven world, as they help streamline workflows, improve accuracy, and facilitate better decision-making. They connect to the overall theme of leveraging technology to handle data more efficiently and effectively. Now, let's explore some essential e-tools that can really streamline the process of manuscript drafting. First up is Trinka, AI, which is an intelligent writing assistant designed specifically for academic and technical writing. It helps improve clarity, correctness, and consistency in your drafts. Then, there's Overleaf, a popular online LaTeX editor that makes collaborative writing and formatting much easier, especially for complex documents. Next, we have Claude, AI, an AA-powered assistant that can help generate ideas, summarize content, or refine your writing, making the drafting process more efficient. Grammarly is another well-known tool that offers grammar and style checking, ensuring your manuscript is polished and error-free before submission. Humata, AI is a newer tool that allows you to analyze and understand your documents better by providing insights and summaries, which can be very useful during revisions. DocAnalyzer, AI also offers similar functionalities, helping you evaluate the structure and coherence of your manuscript. Heuristi, Ka is a platform that provides heuristic evaluations and feedback, which can be invaluable for improving the quality of your writing. The Manchester Phrasebank is a terrific resource for finding the right phrases and academic language to enhance your manuscript's clarity and professionalism. WordTune is another AI-based writing assistant that helps rephrase sentences for improved flow and readability. All of these tools, when used effectively, can significantly enhance your manuscript drafting process, making it more productive, accurate, and aligned with academic standards. They connect with the overall theme of leveraging technology to improve scholarly communication and streamline research workflows. Now, let's take a look at some valuable e-tools for referencing that can really streamline your research process. First up, we have Referman.com, a handy tool for managing your references efficiently. Then there's Zotero.org, which is a popular free reference manager that helps you collect, organize, and cite your sources seamlessly. Mendeley.com is another powerful option, combining reference management with collaboration features. Scribr offers useful tools for checking citations and avoiding plagiarism, ensuring your work is solid. PayPurple provides AI-powered writing assistance, making your writing clearer and more polished. RefNWrite is great for academic phrase suggestions and language support. Quillbot.com is an AI paraphrasing tool that can help rephrase your content effectively. MyBib.com offers quick citation generation, saving you time. PaperGuide AI is an innovative platform that guides you through research and writing stages. Cite AI is particularly useful for assessing the credibility of your sources by showing how they are cited in other works. And finally, again, PaperGuide AI, which emphasizes its role in supporting your research journey. These tools, when integrated into your workflow, can significantly improve the quality and efficiency of your referencing process, aligning perfectly with our overall theme of leveraging technology for smarter research. Now, let's take a look at some essential e-tools that can help us ensure the quality and integrity of our writing. First, Grammarly is a widely used platform that checks for both grammar and style issues, making our work clearer and more professional. Then we have PaperRater, which not only reviews grammar but also scans for plagiarism, giving us confidence in the originality of our content. Reverso, on the other hand, is a great translation tool that also offers grammar corrections, especially useful for multilingual writers. Ginger Software is another handy option for grammar checking, providing real-time suggestions to refine our sentences. PlagScan is a specialized plagiarism checker that's popular among academics and researchers for its thorough scans. Authenticate is tailored specifically for researchers and authors who need to verify the originality of their work before publication. And finally, Turnitin is a well-known platform used extensively in educational institutions to detect potential plagiarism. All these tools are vital in maintaining academic integrity, improving our writing quality, and ensuring our work stands up to scrutiny. By incorporating these e-tools into our workflow, we can save time, reduce errors, and confidently submit work that's both well-written and original. Remember, the overall goal is to produce high-quality, credible content, and these tools are valuable allies in that process. Let's take a look at some useful presentation tools that can help us create more effective and engaging posters. First, there's PosterPresentations.com. This website offers a variety of resources and templates to help you design professional posters easily. It's a great starting point if you're looking for guidance on layout and presentation style. Next, we have Poster Genius, which is a more advanced software specifically tailored for creating scientific posters. It streamlines the design process and helps ensure your content is well organized and visually appealing. Finally, there's Pi Ink, which provides services related to poster printing and presentation support. Using these tools can really elevate the quality of your presentation, making your research stand out and communicate your message clearly. Overall, these tools are valuable resources that align with our goal of delivering impactful, well-designed posters that effectively share our research findings. Now, let's talk about some essential tools that facilitate remote communication and collaboration. First, for video conferencing, we have popular platforms like Zoom, Skype, WebEx, and Google Meet. These tools are invaluable for virtual meetings, whether it's for team discussions, presentations, or even one-on-one check-ins. They help us stay connected visually and verbally, which is crucial when working remotely. Moving on to file sharing, platforms like Dropbox and Google Drive are staples. They allow us to store, access, and share documents easily, ensuring everyone has the latest version and can collaborate seamlessly regardless of location. Finally, there are various electronic tools designed specifically for research collaboration. These tools streamline the process, making it easier to work together on projects, share data, and communicate effectively across distances. Overall, these digital tools are the backbone of remote work and research today, helping us stay productive and connected no matter where we are. Now, let's look at some of the key e-tools available for publishing online. These platforms are essential for researchers and academics who want to share their work widely and efficiently. First, we have the International Journal of Medical Informatics, accessible at ijme.org. It's a reputable journal for publishing medical informatics research. Next, there's rziv.org, which is a preprint repository where scientists share preliminary research findings before peer review. It's a great way to get rapid feedback and increase visibility. Then, we have ResearchGate, a social networking site for researchers to share papers, ask questions, and collaborate. It helps build a professional community around your work. Finally, Academia. Edu offers a platform for sharing papers and engaging with fellow scholars across various disciplines. These tools collectively support the broader goal of disseminating knowledge efficiently and openly, which is a core theme of our discussion on advancing research dissemination in the digital age. Now, let's look at some examples of indexing database services and repositories. These are essential for organizing and accessing scholarly work efficiently. For instance, the first link points to the Shidganga repository, which is a digital repository of theses and dissertations from India. It provides a centralized platform for researchers to access graduate theses. Next, we have the North Carolina State University's repository, which hosts a variety of scholarly works that are accessible via a handle system, making it easy to locate specific items. The third link is from the University of Western Ontario's Institutional Repository, where you can search for education-related research and publications. This demonstrates how repositories support targeted research areas. Finally, the Miami University Scholarly Repository offers access to their electronic theses and dissertations, or ETDs, showcasing another example of how institutions are providing open access to their academic output. Connecting these points to the overall theme, repositories and indexing services are crucial for increasing the visibility and accessibility of academic work. They serve as vital tools for researchers, educators, and students alike, ensuring valuable knowledge is preserved and easily discoverable across disciplines. Now, let's explore some other resources that can really help deepen your understanding. First up are MOOCs, or Massive Open Online Courses, which are a fantastic way to access high-quality educational content from anywhere. For example, there's a course on research methods available on Coursera at Coursera.org. MIT also offers a wealth of free courses through their OpenCourseWare platform at Aqua.mit.edu, which covers a wide range of topics. Additionally, you can find various MOOC course sites through Scoopit, which aggregates links to these valuable resources. And of course, edX is another prominent platform that provides courses from top universities around the world. These resources are especially useful because they allow you to learn at your own pace and often for free, making them an accessible way to expand your skills and knowledge. Remember, leveraging these online tools can greatly complement your learning journey and help you stay current with new developments in your field. Now, let's take a look at some valuable search engines and apps specifically designed for researchers. These resources can really enhance your ability to find accurate and comprehensive information. For example, there's a website that lists over 100 search engines tailored for academic research, which can help you discover specialized databases and tools you might not find through general searches. Another great resource is the MIT Libraries Guide, which offers curated links to reliable online research sites, perfect for narrowing down your search and ensuring you're accessing reputable sources. Then, there's a platform called Connected Researchers, which provides a collection of online tools created to streamline various research processes, from data collection to collaboration. Additionally, the OEDB website lists some of the best online research sites, making it easier to identify high-quality resources for different disciplines. Moving into more interactive tools, there are virtual labs like the Howard Hughes Medical Institute's BioInteractive and Stanford's Virtual Labs, which offer immersive, hands-on experiences for scientific exploration without leaving your desk. All these tools and platforms tie into our overall theme of leveraging technology to improve research efficiency and accuracy. By integrating these resources into your workflow, you can stay current, access diverse data sources, and explore new methods for conducting research. Let's talk about research, publication ethics, and the role of ICT tools. When we focus on genuine research, it's essential that our work remains authentic and trustworthy. This means that our research should contribute new knowledge or insights without any form of misrepresentation. It's also important to remember that our research should not detract from or distract from the core objectives we set out to achieve. Every aspect of our work should serve a clear purpose and stay aligned with the overall research goals. Using ICT tools can greatly enhance our research process, but we must do so ethically. That involves proper data handling, giving credit where it's due, and ensuring transparency. Ultimately, maintaining integrity in our research is what upholds the credibility of our work and advances the field responsibly. When it comes to publishing papers and other academic writings, there are several key methods to consider. First, we have journals, which can be in print, hybrid, or online formats. Some are open access, meaning everyone can read them freely, while others are paid or subscription-based. It's important to choose the right type based on your goals. Peer-reviewed journals are highly regarded because they involve expert evaluation before publication, ensuring quality and credibility. Within these, you also have refereed journals, which undergo a similar review process. Some journals use a single blind review, where reviewers know who the authors are, while double-blind review keeps both identities anonymous to maintain objectivity. Beyond journals, there are edited books and conference proceedings, which are collections of papers presented at academic conferences, often edited by specialists in the field. These can be excellent ways to disseminate research in a more comprehensive format. Additionally, there are less traditional outlets like online repositories, websites, blogs, and social networks such as academia and LinkedIn. These platforms allow scholars to share ideas more informally and rapidly, broadening the reach of your work and fostering community engagement. Overall, choosing the right publishing method depends on your target audience, the nature of your research, and your dissemination goals. Each option plays a vital role in advancing your academic career and contributing to your field. When it comes to pre-publication preparations, one of the most crucial steps is choosing the right journal. It's important to select either Scopus or Web of Science listed and indexed journals, as these platforms offer better and wider visibility for your research. If you're considering Indian journals, UGC Care listed journals might be a preferred choice because they are recognized and credible within the academic community. Now, an important aspect to consider is the impact factor of the journal. Think of the impact factor as an alternative to simply having a publication. It gives you an idea of the journal's influence and reach. When selecting a journal, aim for high-impact ones, and you can refer to resources like the Journal Citation Report, or JCR, which provides the Journal Impact Factor, or JIF, based on Web of Science data. You can check the JCR Impact Factor for 2022 at Impact Factor for Journal.com. Another useful resource is the Samago Journal Ranking, or SJR, which lists Scopus indexed journals. You can visit Samago.com to see the ranking and impact metrics of various journals. Additionally, Scopus provides its own impact factors, and there are specific links like Scopus Impact Factor, com, where you can find impact factors for journals indexed in Scopus. It's also worth noting that some journals might report a self-citation-based impact factor, but these are not considered scientifically reliable, so be cautious of that. In summary, thorough pre-publication planning involves selecting the right journal, preferably indexed in reputable databases, and considering the impact factor as an indicator of the journal's reputation and reach. This strategic approach can significantly enhance the visibility and credibility of your research. When it comes to finding the right journal for your research, utilizing journal finders can be incredibly helpful. For example, you can check out tools like https://journal finder, Elsevier.com, which suggest suitable journals based on your manuscript details. Another useful resource is the journal suggester at https://authorservice, teoranfrancis.com/publishingyourresearch/choosing-a-journal/journal suggester/. These tools can save you time and help identify journals that match your research scope. It's also crucial to be cautious about predatory or ghost journals, which can harm your reputation and the dissemination of your work. You can refer to resources like https://www.com/blog/predatory journals list/ to learn how to spot and avoid these types of journals. When selecting a journal, aim for those indexed in major databases like Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, Crossref, Google Scholar, and ICI. Publishing in indexed journals ensures greater visibility and credibility for your research. Additionally, using publishing templates can streamline your submission process. Websites like https://www.lakestemplates.com/cat/articles offer a variety of professional templates that conform to journal standards, making your manuscript look polished and ready for review. Overall, choosing the right journal involves careful consideration of indexing, reputation, and formatting, ultimately helping your work reach the right audience and have the impact it deserves. Now, let's talk about creating your academic identity as an author. First, it's essential to have your ORCID ID, Scopus ID, VIDWAN ID, and Google Scholar ID. These identifiers help establish your presence across various platforms and make your work easily discoverable. Registering with journal publishing software is also a key step. For example, you can find the author instructions at the Sage Journal's website, which provides guidance on submitting your work properly. When it comes to open access journals, one important aspect is understanding article processing charges, or APCs. These are fees that authors often need to pay to make their articles openly accessible. Knowing about APCs helps you plan your publishing strategy accordingly. Overall, building a strong academic identity and understanding the publication process are crucial for enhancing your visibility and impact in your field. Let's now look at the role of institutions in supporting research and academic growth. First, establishing a constitution of a scientific advisory committee, or ethics committee, is crucial. This body ensures that our research maintains high ethical standards and that we're aware of the latest guidelines through dedicated awareness programs. Next, it's important to have clear institutional policies for research and ICT. These policies guide how we conduct research and integrate technology effectively within our institute. Coordination plays a key role too, such as maintaining a link on our homepage that provides access to free online resources, making research tools easily accessible to everyone. We also need to ensure that our faculty possess the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes toward ICT. This is vital for fostering a tech-savvy research environment. Institutions should invest in purchasing paid software like SPSS for statistical analysis or BioRender for scientific illustrations, which are essential tools for quality research. Additionally, initiatives like an e-journal club promote active engagement with current research, fostering a culture of continuous learning. Having an e-journal dedicated to our institute's research helps showcase our work and stay connected with global developments. Finally, maintaining a repository for research publications and dissertations ensures that our work is preserved and accessible for future reference, supporting transparency and academic integrity. All these elements come together to create a robust institutional framework that nurtures research excellence and aligns with our overall goal of advancing knowledge. Now, let's look at the merits and demerits of using digital resources for research and information sharing. On the positive side, digital tools encourage us to search more extensively and research more thoroughly. They make our work more effective and allow us to disseminate information quickly to a wider audience. Additionally, digital platforms promote greater accountability, as actions and contributions can often be tracked and verified. However, there are some challenges too. For instance, developing browsing skills or being tech-savvy is essential to navigate these resources efficiently. Without these skills, users might struggle to find the right information. Another issue is information overload. There's so much data available that it can become overwhelming and difficult to filter what's truly relevant. Lastly, the reliability and validity of content can sometimes be questionable, so we need to be critical and discerning about the sources we trust. Balancing these merits and demerits is key to making the most of digital resources effectively. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I truly appreciate you being here. I hope the information we've shared has been useful and insightful. Remember, the key points we've discussed highlight the importance of understanding the core concepts we've explored. It's about applying these ideas to make a real difference in your work. Connecting everything back to the overall theme, I want to emphasize that success comes from integrating these strategies thoughtfully and consistently. So, thank you again for your engagement. I look forward to seeing how you implement these insights moving forward.